Your love colors the dawn, your voice the power of thunder, your hand the healer of the weak. Your love fills oceans, and your voice calms the seas, and you created me. Your eyes are so amazing, so deep, like crashing waves on a cloudy sea, and these pounding waves, they consume me. But there's so much more to you, so much I do not know, so much love I have yet not encountered, so much you overflow. And just when I think I know your complexities, you step into the light. And just when I think I know your voice, you open up my ears. It's like trying to know every single glowing star on a cloudless night. But your depth and your vastness keep me running after you.
Long before the world began, my name was carved upon your hand, waiting through the years that passed to give your love to me at last. Years passing by cannot alter my value to you. Time is my ally in proving your love to be true. You call out my name, I trust in your love. You know me, you love me now. You call out my name. I trust in your love. You know me. You love me. You call out my name. I trust in your love.